In this video, I'm going to show how you can easily unlock your Facebook profile. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So, let's begin and our stuff up in our Facebook app. Then go to your profile page. And now, as you can see, it says you unlocked your profile. That means that the profile is now private. If you want to make it public, you need to unlock it. To do that, go to menu, then hit add gear icon to open up settings. And then just search for unlock. That will show you profile unlock. Just get into it and then hit at unlock here. It says that your settings will return to the way that you are before you unlock your profile. However, any privacy settings you change after unlocking your profile will stay the same. To unlock your profile, hit a dead button and that's it. I have just unlocked my profile. Now you can write down in the comments if you have any questions about that tutorial. And also, I recommend you to check out my Facebook tutorial playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.